Okay, this is the second one. I gotta plug it in real quick. Fan and light. Okay. Second experiment with this grenade here. Still got the shell from the last one and the BBs from the other one. Have one more grenade. Okay. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and set my iPod back down where it was, so y'all can see good and stuff. Okay. Let you see a bit. Yeah, pretty well. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to light it, and let's go. The heck? Hang on a second. That's weird. Okay. This isn't something I want to do with. Hang on a second, y'all. I gotta think of something else quick. Oh, this isn't good. Crap. I got an idea. I'm gonna get some paper, and I'm going to light the paper, and then when that burns down, it will light my little thing. Okay. It's going. I think. Yep. The heck? Stopped again? Whew. Okay, this is not a good thing. Firecrackers. Yay! Whew, it sucks. It's gonna have to light. Really? This is ticking me off. Y'all, I'm sorry. This one's a complete failure. I guess I got smothered or something. I got a little bit of a fuse left. Like a centimeter of a fuse left. Oh my god, this is really starting to make me mad. Well. What the freak? That's a lot of smoke though. Whew. It melted. It's weird. You know what, this is a complete dud. So I got one last firecracker. But I'm just going to take this duct tape off. And I'm going to go get that one. And see if I can't get this to work better. Because I still got the thing out here and all. So, freaking firecracker. Alright, so y'all hang on. Well, I'm just going to end the recording thing on it. So here we go. Bye-bye.